Hey everyone, so we are in Belgium for this week's vlog. We've had a nightmare of a week when it comes to the business. We are in Belgium for this week's vlog. As you can see, I'm at the Joico headquarters in Belgium. This is the first time I've ever been to Belgium, and we've just finished a fantastic 2 days on the masterpiece course. Robbie and Sophie have taken myself and Jill Berry through it. We're going to be delivering it at Salon Concepts in the UK in June. Robbie's just packing up his car. I've got a load of video about when we got here and everything like that, but literally just grabbed my camera now. It's been a full-on 2 days and I want to take you through it. So, beginning of this week, no, that was last week. God. So last week was Joico America. We did a load for that. And then this week we're in Joico Belgium. I just want to show you the flags. And the sun is right in my eyes. So I don't know if you can see me now. No, you can't see me. Oh, there we go. Probably look very Chinese. But yeah, we're just walking up to this is the Joico Belgium office just here. God, that sun is crazy. And we'll walk in and I'll take you through it all. But it's been, yeah, amazing 2 days. Wendy's been here. Lean was going to be here to facilitate as well, but she broke her foot. And this morning I was getting out of the bath, massive bath. I'll put a picture in here so you can see it. And I twisted my knee, but Wendy did some Reiki Martin.
Reiki Martin will come here?
No. I said Reiki Master.
On my knee and sorted it all out. But yeah, we're going to walk through here now. So this is called The Link, and then we've got Joico sign here, and then we've been working up here in the studio. So I'll take you through the studio. And this is us coming in. Ooh. So this is the Joico Belgium. Here's Robbie. Robbie's just taken us through, and we've been working on YouTube as well. So him and Sophie just started Bobhead channel.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Sophie does that, but he's the greatest.
Thank you, mate. But yeah, I was just saying out there, I was saying you just took us through the masterpiece course for 2 days.
Yeah, and I really enjoyed it because he's such a great guy, and also Jill. So I enjoyed every minute.
Ditto, mate. Ditto.
Cheers.
So yeah, this is the Belgium head office. So when I'm over in the Netherlands and you see all of that in Helmond, but this is the Belgium office, and it's really nice, like really nice and cozy area here. This is all the communal eating. This is where all the food sit. They've even got like a beer pump just here, and then that is the boardroom, I think. You'll see this masterpiece collection. So this was, I think, David and Katrina's. That one just there. So we make our way upstairs. Oh, and there's one of my images. Just, where is it? There. So that's from the tutorials we did with Bruno, Lean, Laura, Dan, Marcus and myself, and we did that for the tutorials which launched last year. And then right in front of me, I don't think anybody's in there, this is another studio. Nobody in there? No. So this is where Val, she held a balayage course here yesterday, reverse balayage, and had it all up here. So this is where the stage is, big TVs, you got the basins and everything around here, all the prep area. Well, you can see all the sound stuff just there, and I like the white Joico sign there. But yeah, we've been working in this room. There's a photo studio through here as well, and then through here is just toilets, photo studio here, some more offices, and then here they all are. Wendy getting a haircut. Woo! By Jill. We've just done the masterpiece. Introduced Robbie, Sophie.
Huh?
You just showed us the colours.
Yes.
For the masterpiece collection. I've just took them from the gates all the way through to here.
Wow.
So, yeah. But it's all down. That's what they just said to me. It says
The end.
The end. I could have showed you. I filmed a lot. I did film loads, so I'll put it all over this while I'm talking. But here's are these ours?
Yes.
So there's a lovely one in a bag. And then there's ours there, ready to be sent off to us. So, yeah. Oh, and also, my play button just turned up. That's in the salon. So I don't know whether to pick it up tonight or to go just get it tomorrow morning when I get to the salon. I don't know what to do.
I reckon you drive tonight.
Get it tomorrow.
Tonight.
That is exciting for tomorrow. Then.
I won't get to sleep. So yeah, that's going to be the big unboxing, which is going to be this week. And then
to pick it up tonight and unbox tomorrow morning.
on Sunday I was going to be up to Manchester, but that's been rescheduled. And then next week I was going to be back here in the Netherlands. That's been rescheduled. So I've got 2 weeks of where I can just create loads and loads of content, loads of haircuts and colour tutorials. So yeah, we're going to be bringing loads of that. So I'll see you tomorrow. Welcome to another hotel room. It is Saturday and we are in Leicester. I'm here with Jason, Chop and Brew. If you'd have seen yesterday's, last week's vlog, got like an S-shaped hair on top of my microphone. We're in Leicester in the Brooklyn Hotel. It's a really cool hotel actually. Look at all this. I don't know if you can see it. It says Brooklyn. There we go. Brooklyn. This is the hotel which is right on the Leicester Tigers, and I'll show you. Where is it? You can't see, can you? Leicester Tigers is just there. And this hotel was taken over by, or built just before Christmas, and Leicester Tigers put in charge an American company. Taxi man told us this, but look, it's a lovely hotel. Like, Jason has done a blinder here with this hotel. He's just gone out for a fag. I'll introduce you to him in a minute. But we're just going to get ready, go out, have some food, have some drinks, and just let our hair down. Have a good night. Really looking forward to it, to be honest. This is the first night out since our staff party of the 18th of December. So me and Jason used to go out every Saturday night together for a good 2 years straight, I think. And then we both just got really busy. So this is it. This is the reunion. Yeah, we're just having a few beers. We finished work. Let me tell you this. So this week, obviously I started the week in Belgium, as you know. And I finished the week, an absolute headache. My play button came, and I'll get a video up very, very soon, and I'll put it in here probably when I get back tomorrow. I'm going to go in the studio tomorrow to get some stuff filmed. We've had a nightmare of a week when it comes to the business. So, I took a picture. I took a picture as it started, but we basically had like a monsoon wave of water. One of the pipes broke in the salon, and the water just rushed through the floor. Absolute nightmare. So we had to cancel all our clients Wednesday, apart from some cuts and one colour. We had to use the basins really strategically. And then then last night, last client of the day, the waste pipe just burst. All the water went everywhere. And today we had to cancel everybody, apart from haircuts. And we had one of the basins going into a bin, and that was how we were able to do it. So yeah, it was an absolute nightmare, to be honest. I'm glad to be having a few drinks, getting away for a night. I'll introduce you to Jason. I'll let him have a little chat. But Jason's got his own business, and he's been running a barbershop business, successful business for a long time now. And we both wanted to collab, and I'll do our little story actually when we're getting ready to go out, because we both worked in a place, the same place, but in different periods of our life. And we're both doing this. Oh, I need to get something in me. I don't know if it's food or drink, but I need to wake up a little bit. I've just been lying on the bed playing mini golf on my phone. I'm going to get a shower and then get ready, and we're going to head out. So yeah, when Jesse gets back from his cigarette, I'll introduce you to him, and you can see. But this week's in the business has been a nightmare with the plumbing. It's something that's been a nightmare for a number of years, and we've been fobbed off by different plumbers, and over the years saying, oh yeah, I fixed it, and then they haven't fixed it. Then a couple of months down the line, then we think, right, we'll get a different plumber in this time, get another plumber in. They say they fixed it, they haven't fixed it. So we've got seemingly a very, very good plumber at the minute, Claire. Something Gas Lass is her company. I'll make sure I sort it out. But yeah, she's coming in on Monday to the salon. She's going to sort it all out for us. For good. She's going to be cutting down the pipes because all the pipes are glued. She's going to be doing everything. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to getting it all sorted because it's just been a nightmare. But yeah, I'm going to grab a shower. Is that a shower on the ceiling?
Yeah, it's like round. Yeah, it's like being in the eye of the storm.
Did you order it?
What? You gonna go under it?
Jason, tell them, where did we work together? Not together.
Yeah, we went together.
Where did we work at the same place?
You
know.
TK Maxx.
That's it.
Big labels.
Small prices.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, you went on to, I cut your hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, very...
Sort of got me into barbering.
Yeah.
I spoke about it before, and then you point me in the right direction of a few places. And
Yeah, went Bedford College.
Bedford College.
On the train.
Yeah, for 2 days a week.
Yeah. And then travelled around Thailand.
Yeah.
And the Asian continent.
Yeah.
Okay, there.
Still cut my hair now.
And I still cut your hair now?
Who cuts your hair?
You.
Who cut your hair then? You remember this story when there's two hairdressers? You should always go to your barber's hairdresser.
You should.
But with us, it would be a continuous loop because I cut his hair, he cuts mine.
Every time.
You'd be in the Matrix.
Who's this?
Probably the Uber.
Oh, the Uber.
It's
So,
it's
yeah.
a long way to get down as well.
I know. Hello, is that Uber? We're in the Brooklyn Hotel, so yeah, we're just coming out. Yeah, lovely. Cheers, man. Thank you. Bye-bye. So, Jason, we'll reconvene this tomorrow.
Is he outside?
He's outside, yeah.
Yeah, nice. It'll take
Yeah.
about 10 minutes to get down.
Right. See you in the morning.